Hey everybody, Venderman here with FuturestraderElite. Decided to go for a short play under this zone box. I'm all the time talking about zone boxes. There's another zone box below this one, I think around just below the 900 area. I'm gonna take two contracts short in this area, looking for a 20 or 30 point drop first for my first take profit goal. Got my other one set a little lower. Really, we're going to try to rotate some accounts and short all the way down to that other zone box is the game plan. You got to be patient. It's going to go against you some here or there. I rotated through some evals and funded accounts in this drop, if I remember right. There we go. We got one contract left. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this contract and lock in just over $1,000 on that one. Oh, accidentally got, ooh. Alright, so I'm 10 deep. I'm going to scale out real fast. I didn't mean to get in that with as many contracts as I did at first. Still playing out in our favor. Luckily, I'm still making some green on that trade, but should have never got 10. This really should drop down to our other zone before we should see any substantial kind of bounce. So I'm just going to keep rotating through the accounts, locking up, trying to lock over at least $300 per trade. Nice. This is how we look for trades every day. You know, we put in these zone boxes, see what the market's doing, what kind of pressures on the market. You can see the little grid lines inside my chart. You can adjust that in NinjaTrader. Each little square is 5 points. So when I'm trading real fast and you're trying to snipe, then it's easier to know, well, if I put my sell order right there, it's $100 or $200 or $300 without trying to do a bunch of math in your head real quick. I can just click buttons right there on the screen with the mouse, get my orders where I want them, and know how much I'm going to make if it triggers that order. And of course, you can go and adjust them to whether or not every 5 points. They can be at a fixed rate or 10 points or 20. You can pretty much put whatever you want in there. It just helps me as a scalper to know that when I click and I go into a trade, I see that next grid I know is 100 and another 100 and another 100. Helps me gauge what I'm doing while I'm scalping, because everything's moving so fast and I ain't got to look over at the screen and see where I'm at on the PNL. I just, in and out, and that is what I do on a daily basis when I trade. I got a lot of different setups and trades I trade, and I'll be putting out more content on that in the near future. And like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, just reach out and send me an email at FuturestraderElite.com.